Latest Manchester United news. Manchester United board is meeting today with concerns over Erik Ten Hag future at Old Trafford being part of the discussion. Sir Jim Ratcliffe and Joel Glazer will attend the board meeting. It's expected Manchester United will make final decision on Erik Ten Hag future at Old Trafford today, as Sir Jim Ratcliffe feels that enough is enough and it's time for change, but will back a decision to be made by Ineos management team led by Omar Beralda. Meanwhile, Erik Ten Hag has left for a short holiday, working very much on the basis that he expects to be in charge when Manchester United return to action against Brentford after the international break. Erik Ten Hag was start leaves Manchester United in historical poor position in the Premier League table, sitting at 14th with 8 points after 7 matches, hence speculations for his sack. Fabrizio Romano has revealed that Manchester United are lining up Thomas Tuchel as potential candidate to replace Erik Ten Hag in case they fire him. Manchester United met Thomas Tuchel in June when they considered to sack Erik Ten Hag, and remains a top candidate to take over from Erik Ten Hag as Man United manager. Would you like Thomas Tuchel to take over from Erik Ten Hag? Thanks for watching and subscribe to this channel for all Manchester United news and updates.